Okay, guys, so I know this is weird. Normally we would be together to do this, and normally we would have run to Grand Valley. It'd be in January, but our box arrived today for First Robotics. There's one here, and there's one on the counter over there. So I'm going to do an unboxing video just so that you guys can see what's in here, and hopefully get excited about the season. So this one is the one for the Steveneers, but theoretically they should be identical because we're both veteran teams now. So let's see what we have. All right. We have two of the balls. These are not the same kind of branded ones though. I think they're identical size-wise, but they are, they say medium bounce. I think they're just more generic than the previous ones. So we have two of those. It's going to fall off the table. Oh, I lied. We have three of those. And then, I wonder if they just use those as packing material, possibly. We got a new battery, which is always good. And then we have this thing. I am not sure what this is. It looks like some sort of poster, but obviously it'd be a bad idea if it's a paper poster to be folded up in a weird Z shape like this. So cut off some plastic straps, and we have no, it's a poster, but it's some sort of canvas poster that got pretty beat up in this whole process. Lots of wrinkles here. You guys are actually probably able to see that better than I can. I am not going to be able to hold this whole thing up. This is what it looks like. This is into orbit. Looks like it has some solar panels. My guess is that this might be something where we have to build a sensor to spot some things. I don't know, there's some strange patterns on it that look like maybe they are for like pattern recognition. But I'm going to roll this back up. Hopefully, all bent like that doesn't affect whatever we're supposed to do with that. So I hope you guys are having a good final week here. I know this is going to be stressful with tests and all that sort of thing. We have a whole bag of pins like we get every year. These are Infinite Recharge 2021 pins. So when you guys get back, let's see if, I have no idea if this is focusing because I can't see what's being recorded, but they look like that. So we have a bag of those. We have some connectors. These look like they are PWM wiring. Hopefully oh, that's awesome. They're the kind where you can make the connections, so we can make custom wires. That's going to be awesome. We have the cable for the battery. I think these are probably the screws and washers and nut, or the bolt and washer and nut for the terminals on the battery. And then we have a box inside of the box. Oh wow. These are a whole bunch of Lego pieces. I don't know. I think these are going to be for some of the design challenges, probably. There's some balls and things in here. I am not going to start cutting those open because they could get very disorganized very quickly, but that's interesting. We'll have to wait for final instructions on how to handle those. All right, down in the bottom, we have, as usual, our bag of paperwork and materials. It looks like we have some extra stuff. We have some reflective tape, probably for sensor work. We have the virtual kit catalog. It's going to have a bunch of our vouchers and stuff for different vendors. We have an alumni handbook, which is interesting. We've never had one of those before. Got the same DigiKey ruler, measuring device, got all sorts of stuff on it. We get one of those most years. For some reason, we have some chain like you'd make an anchor or something out of, not chain like you'd put on a gear. And then we have some extension cable retaining clips. These are to hold together those PWM wires. And the rest of the stuff looks like sponsor materials, stickers, that sort of thing. We have some software for LabVIEW. We get that every year. That looks like it. I don't have any insight into this any more than what I've said. Again, I hope you guys are having a good holiday season and that you're finishing up your classes well, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks.